Namaste everyone. Welcome to SS Craft Mantra. In today's tutorial, we are going to make a pop-up camera card. So let's get started with the tutorial. To make pop-up camera card, you will need the following measurements. You will need two cutouts of 11 by 12 for the front and back of the camera. One strip of 5 by 12 cm. One cutout of 14 by 20 for making sides of the camera. Now fold the cutout into half. Make multiple folds as shown in the video. Cut the strips. Stick a silver paper to get the look of camera. If you don't have silver paper, then use silver paint and stick it. Bend the strips. Take the strips and glue it to the cutouts. It should look something like this. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon. Select all so that you'll get all notifications whenever I upload a new video. You need to glue the bottom side, so take the cutout 5 by 12 cm and fold it into half before sticking it. Stick silver paper on the 6 cm circle. Take the leftover strips and glue it on the circle. Now glue the circle on the camera. For making a base, you will need a thick chart paper. If you don't have a thick chart paper, you can use any foldable cardboards or books cover will do. You need to stick the camera on the chart paper. Keep in mind that the bottom side, which is folded, comes exactly in the middle of the folded chart paper. And now you can glue it as shown in the video. You can fill the camera with photos as I am doing. For that, you will need the measurements. Stick the photographs on the paper and decorate it as you want. You need to cut the strips and stick it on the photos so that it is easy to pull the pictures. Put the pictures in the camera and your pop-up camera card is ready. If you have any suggestions, then do write in the comment section below. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe as a Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon to get notifications.